everybody, Linda Bradley from Princess House. It's been a while since I did a lunch with Linda, and so I decided to come on today. I got these great mangoes at the grocery store, and we're gonna make some mango salsa. So do you guys like mangoes? I wish I lived in an area that you could actually pick them off your backyard tree. That would be incredible. So let me just change this a little bit. All right, perfect. I wanna make sure that you can see my cutting board. So mangoes are a little bit difficult to cut. So what you want to do is put it, it has like the inside, it has like an oval pit. And what you want to do is just put it on its side and then cut down the side as much as you can. And get all of that wonderful, juicy flesh. You can see it, right? And the best way I have found to get all of it out is to then take a spoon and just scoop it, especially when it is fresh, right? It's a little sticky, it's very sweet, but that's how you do it. Super easy. Now you have a nice big piece of flesh, and then you can dice it and use this for your first part of the mango salsa. I'm going to make some other recipes later with, I found mango vanilla, what were they? Vanilla cupcakes that looked really good. Now, there's different kinds of salsas that you can do. I saw one with pineapple, but I ate all my pineapple, so I gotta choose something else. This one is basically 5 easy ingredients. So the first one is the chopped mango. I have about 2 cups of chopped mango. Then you're gonna take a red onion, a small red onion, and you're going to chop that up as well. I love to use my chopper for this. It makes it so easy. Watch this. Done. So I really like to use that. And the other thing that I wanted to tell you is another thing that goes in this recipe is parsley. So I've been using some fresh parsley. And I wanted to show you that one of the easiest ways to do parsley is you can go ahead and put it right with anything else that you're chopping, right? Here's my parsley that I've already taken off. You can use it right in your chopper. So right when I'm chopping my onion, the parsley gets chopped as well. You don't even have to worry about it, right? Done deal. I love that. All right, that was a little trick that somebody showed me, and I'm like, I like that trick. I'm doing that trick. So like I said, this is 5 ingredients. It's mango, red onion, I have a little bit of jalapeno because you got to get a little spice in there, and then some lime juice. Now, don't be afraid to make something if you don't have all of the ingredients. This actually called for cilantro, but not everybody likes cilantro. So you can look up on YouTube or even just Google substitutions. And so my substitution is going to be parsley. We actually grow this parsley. If you don't grow anything, if you don't consider yourself a green thumb, at least try to grow some spices. You'll be surprised how easy they are to grow and how much they add the flavor to your food. We grow parsley and my favorite is basil. We do oregano. They're not difficult. Even if you don't have a lot of room, you can put them even in like a kitchen window, right? Which makes it really nice. Okay, so here is all of our onions and our parsley. Whoop, let me just get this out. Oh, I can smell that parsley. It's really strong. All right, and so now here's the jalapenos, all right? You can grow them, we grow them as well. And then same thing, I'm just gonna use my chopper and put them in here. And then this way it's just perfectly diced and you don't have to worry about doing all those little choppings. So this is an easy recipe. It doesn't take a long time. I put too much in there. It doesn't take a long time. And there you go. And then you can also freeze this. You can use it right away. Put it in your refrigerator. I didn't mean freeze it. Put it in your refrigerator. Now, when you make this, you can actually make this and use it with chicken or fish, or obviously just all by itself, right? You can use it just as a mango to use with chips. But it's a really good recipe that you can also use for dinner time. All right, so here's the recipe. And we're gonna put in some lemon juice. Now, it said lime juice, but I didn't have any. So we're gonna put in some lemon juice. And again, I just looked that up to see, is it okay that I substitute? And that's it. 5 simple ingredients: mango, onion, jalapeno, lime, and parsley or cilantro. And then you have it. Let me show you how pretty it looks. I know it's gonna taste delicious. I'm going to make this with some fish. I'm going to make this on the top.